Meanwhile, the governor is calling a congressional redistricting reform bill phony, and he has vetoed it. Hogan says the bill, which passed through the Maryland General Assembly in the most recent session, would eliminate the chance of what he considers real redistricting reform. The bill would require 5 other states to agree on redistricting before Maryland would begin redrawing its congressional districts.
The legislative leaders who pushed this bill chose to completely ignore the will of the people of Maryland for the sole purpose of protecting themselves and their own partisan political interests.
Governor Hogan has repeatedly been proposing taking congressional and state legislative redistricting out of the governor's hands and the state lawmakers, but so far the legislature has rejected his bill.